Okay, today we're here at McDonald's to do a review of the Shaka Shaka potato fries that I got from Critical Eats Japan, apparently a couple years ago. And this is the McD fry seasoning Hawaiian BBQ. He usually writes down what it is in case we don't have a translator app. So you get it. Comes with a bag. The bag has directions. You put the fries in first. So I ordered a medium fry and I got it with no salt. Because this is seasoning, so you know it might make it too salty. Let's see, how do you open these things? Then you put the seasoning in next. Make sure it's all out. Yeah, and then you roll it down a little bit so that none of the seasoning comes out. And then you shake it. Now these bags are bigger than the ones we got with the Grinch ones, so it's easier to roll down, and it's wider, so it's easier to shake. So here's what the fry looks like. Cover that. Hollow is the top of it, so I can show you what the fries look like inside the bag. It does kind of have a barbecue type of taste to it, like a rub. This one's actually really good. I'm wondering what makes it Hawaiian though. I'll have to look at that. In case you can read Japanese. But yeah, if you're ever in Japan and you happen to be at a McDonald's, see if they have any Shaka Shaka fries. And if they do, then order it and try it out, because they're actually really good, even after 2 years. It is only seasoning, so you know it should be good for a while. But yeah, that's a good taste to it. So I'm gonna give this one an A, and I'm gonna take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.